Why do I train to fight? We train to win. We're America's 911 call any given time. We're the deterrence. Everybody looks at us. There's a reason that we operate in all these different climes and places.
Potential what? There's potential if you're looking at potential.
It's to show America's enemies that we are willing to actually fight and go anywhere and be anywhere that we need to be. Every day we're training, we're getting better, and we will win this next battle.